Hi guys, my name is Mrs. Pulver. I'm going to be your Leadworthy teacher this year for virtual learning and, possibly if we get back to face-to-face. I wanted to tell you a little bit about me first. This is my 24th year teaching. I've taught mostly 6th grade science, but this is my first year to teach the Leadworthy class. We had to go to some training over the summer, and I'm really excited about teaching this class. I think you're going to enjoy it. There's some things that are very important about this class. One is that this is a class about building relationships, and it's really meant to be taught face-to-face a little bit more than virtually, but that's why it's going to be very important. Every day we're going to have a Zoom session from 9 to 9:20, and it's very important for you to get on that Zoom call. We will take roll from the Zoom call and from the Canvas course. On the Canvas course, there are going to be an attendance question that you'll need to answer if you didn't get on the Zoom call. So when we're on the Zoom call, I'll take attendance, but if you don't get on the Zoom call, you need to go to Canvas and answer the attendance question and go ahead and go through the materials for the day. We're going to take 2 grades per week in this class. One is going to be on your journal entries, which you're going to be taking, you're going to be making your journal entries in a journal that you're going to keep at home. So a composition book or a notebook, you're going to keep it at home and you're actually going to write in it. You can make a digital journal if you'd like to, and I'm not going to tell you necessarily how you have to do that, but your journal entries need to be 1 to 2 paragraphs or more, and every day you'll have a journal question. We're going to have you submit that either by, you might have to just show me your journal on Zoom. You may need to take a picture of it and upload it, or if you do a digital version, you may need to figure out how to share your digital version with me. The journal is private. It's not for me to read. I'm just going to take a grade on participation that you did it. You're also going to get a grade every week on speeches, so you're going to be expected to make speeches in this class. Your speeches for right now can either be on Zoom or they can be on Flipgrid. But it is important that you take the speech seriously, that you write it out beforehand because it is for a grade. We're going to encourage you as the year goes on to do your speeches on Zoom, because if you were face-to-face, you'd be doing those speeches in class in front of everyone. So we want to make sure that you know how to do that. If you'll look on my screen, you'll see this is the Leadworthy Middle School course, and I want to show you a little bit about what we're doing. We have 9 chapters. Chapter 1, we're going to be getting acquainted, and we're going to be doing an introductory speech where you're going to tell about yourself. And then the next chapter, looking at ourselves, about building self-concept, the next chapter, understanding ourselves, and then the way that we present ourselves. This is about the different ways that leaders present themselves. This next chapter is taking responsibility. Chapter 6, again, is about public speaking. Chapter 7, interacting with others. Number 8, looking at relationships, and number 9, getting a vision. So this is a leadership course. It's all about all the different skills that you're going to need to be a leader. Since I have never taught this course before, and I certainly have never taught it virtually, there's going to be a few little bumps in the road, but we will figure that out and get it ironed out. I really hope to see all of you every day on the Zoom call. I know 9 o'clock is a little early for some of you, but if you were in school, you would have already been here for about an hour. So you need to make sure that you get up and get on our Zoom call, because that's really the best way that we're going to be able to connect during this class. If you don't make it to a Zoom call one day, you do need to get on the leadership course, and you do need to look at the lesson for the day. You need to read through it, watch if there's any videos, and you need to do your journal prompt. And please remember, this class is for a grade, so make sure that you do the work for this class and don't, just kind of blow it off. So, all right. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope that you're having a great restful day. I will talk to you tomorrow.